Imagine turning on your computer and everything just feels right. The desktop looks elegant, the system responds instantly, and you don't feel like you're fighting with your operating system. That's the philosophy behind Zorin OS. And with Zorin OS 18 Pro, the developers are trying to deliver one of the most polished Linux experiences available today. Zorin OS is built on top of Ubuntu's long-term support foundation. That matters because Ubuntu LTS releases are known for stability, security updates, and excellent hardware support. Zorin takes that strong base and reshapes it into something that feels modern, approachable, and comfortable for everyday users. Zorin OS 18 Pro continues that mission with a major refresh focused on design, usability, and a more complete professional environment right out of the box. The first thing most people notice is the visual design. Zorin OS has always focused heavily on aesthetics, and version 18 Pro pushes that even further. The desktop feels refined and premium, with smooth animations, elegant system menus, and a layout that feels clean rather than cluttered. At the center of this experience is the Zorin Appearance tool. This is one of the most interesting ideas in the Linux world. Instead of forcing you to accept one fixed desktop layout, Zorin lets you instantly switch between multiple styles. You can choose a layout that feels very similar to Windows with a taskbar and start menu. Or you can switch to a layout that resembles macOS with a dock and top panel. The Pro Edition includes several additional premium layouts designed for different workflows. Some are minimal and distraction-free, while others are optimized for multitasking. It's a small feature on paper, but it dramatically changes how flexible the system feels. Another big improvement in Zorin OS 18 Pro is performance optimization. The system is designed to run efficiently on both modern hardware and older machines. Linux is already known for being lightweight, but Zorin adds extra tuning to ensure the desktop remains smooth and responsive. Applications launch quickly, system animations stay fluid, and background processes are carefully managed to avoid unnecessary resource usage. For people with older laptops, this can make the machine feel new again. Now let's talk about software, because this is where the Pro Edition really separates itself from the standard version. Zorin OS 18 Pro comes bundled with a carefully selected set of professional applications. Instead of installing dozens of tools yourself, many useful programs are already included. These cover productivity, creative work, media editing, and system utilities. Another powerful feature is software compatibility. One of the biggest fears when moving to Linux is losing access to familiar applications. Zorin tackles this by integrating compatibility tools that help run many Windows programs directly on Linux. Gaming support has also improved significantly thanks to technologies like Proton and modern graphics drivers. Many Windows games can now run on Linux with surprisingly good performance, and Zorin benefits from all of those improvements. Zorin OS 18 Pro also focuses strongly on user privacy. Unlike many commercial operating systems today, Zorin does not collect personal usage data or show advertisements inside the operating system. The system respects the idea that your computer should belong to you. Security is handled through Ubuntu's trusted update infrastructure. That means regular security patches and long-term system support, ensuring the system remains safe and reliable over time. Hardware support is another area where Zorin performs very well. Because it inherits Ubuntu's massive driver database, most modern hardware works immediately after installation. Graphics cards, Wi-Fi adapters, Bluetooth devices, printers, and external monitors are typically detected automatically. For content creators and professionals, Zorin OS 18 Pro offers a stable environment for creative work, coding, and productivity. Developers benefit from Linux's powerful command line tools and package management system, while creative users have access to strong open source applications for video editing, graphics design, and audio production. Another detail many people appreciate is the installation process. Zorin OS keeps things simple and beginner-friendly. The installer guides you step by step, making it easy even for someone who has never installed Linux before. Within a short time, the system is ready to use. The Pro Edition also plays an important role in supporting the development of the project. When users purchase Zorin OS Pro, they help fund future development while unlocking additional desktop layouts, premium themes, and bundled software. That balance between accessibility and sustainability is part of why the project has continued growing over the years. So, is Zorin OS 18 Pro the best Linux operating system in the world? That depends on what someone is looking for. Linux has hundreds of distributions, each with different goals. Some focus on extreme customization, others focus on bleeding-edge technology. Zorin takes a different approach. Its mission is to create a Linux system that feels polished, familiar, and genuinely pleasant to use every day. For people switching from Windows, for professionals who want a stable workstation, or for anyone who simply wants a clean and elegant desktop experience, Zorin OS 18 Pro stands out as one of the most refined Linux distributions available today. It combines the stability of Ubuntu, the beauty of a modern desktop design, and the practicality of a system that works right after installation. And in a world where operating systems often feel bloated or overly complicated, Zorin OS 18 Pro quietly proves that computing can still be simple, fast, and enjoyable.